Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable AirPrint on your CANON TS8351a. So first, we need to click on the printer to go into printer details. Now after that, we need to go over to printer information and we need to wait until it connects to the printer. So give it a few seconds. Now we need to click this arrow and go back to the main menu, and now go to AirPrint settings, and here, as you guys can see, we'll be able to enable or disable the AirPrint. So it's all by tapping on the switch, and that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.